guys, hello, welcome back. So as you can see by the title of this video, this will be a Nykaa Pink Friday sale haul. So this time I actually did not buy a lot of makeup. It's mostly skincare or just things that I would need in my daily life, like moisturizers because winter is coming, and body wash, lip balm and all of that stuff. And yeah, if you want to see what I got, then please keep on watching. Okay, so let me just start by telling that this time around I really took advantage of the combo deals that they were having. So they had one by Dot & Key and one by Vaseline, and they also had some combo deals on shampoos and conditioners, and they were like almost 45 to 50% off, and I was so happy about it. I was like, yeah, I want this, I want that, and all of that. So yeah, I just mostly I got stuff from the combo deals, and I just, yeah, my grandma needed a face wash and all of that. So yeah, I just got all those sorts of things. So let me start by the first thing that I got. Okay, firstly look at how huge this is. This is like 800 ml of body wash. This is by Dove. It's the deeply nourishing body wash, and yeah, it's great for winters because it's not that drying on your skin, and so that is why I got this. The next thing that I got, okay, I accidentally got two of these. So this is the Gala of London nail polish thinner. So firstly, did you know that your nail polishes do not ever really expire? So it's just that they become a bit thicker, and yeah, you just feel that you cannot use them anymore. What do these type of products do is that if you put like a couple of drops in your older nail polishes and give it a good shake, your nail polish will be as good as new. So as soon as I got to know about this thing, I have been a person who I really don't know, I've not been able to finish up or throw up any nail polishes yet, because anytime they start to thicken up, I just put a couple of drops of this, and yeah, my nail polishes are good to go. Okay, so I had one by Orly, or I'm not sure how you pronounce it, it's ORLY. So that one was a bit expensive. That was for $7.10, and this is like a fraction of the of the price. I got this for like under 100 rupees, and yeah, so I saved a lot of money on this. And again, I don't know why I have two. I accidentally put two in my cart, and I have two, and it will take me a very long time to finish both of these up. The next thing is also nail polish related. So I was out of my nail polish remover, and I tried to experiment with my nail polish remover. So this time I got the Insight nail polish remover, and it's lemon protein enriched moisturizing and all of that, but I've not used it yet, so I cannot tell you if it's good or not. But I really like the color, and the packaging is really cute. So yeah. Okay, so the next thing that I got is, I think everybody should have this. This is a vegetable wash. It's the Nim Wash vegetable and fruit wash. I'm sure like most of you are washing your vegetables before you consume them, either with salt, baking soda or something like this. So this one was very cheap. Again, it was for 76 rupees or something, and you get 500 ml of product in this one. So I feel that it will last you a very long time. And the next thing that I got was, so I got this in the last Pink Friday sale as well, last year. And you know what? Okay, so this is kind of weird because I actually filmed a Pink Friday sale haul last year as well. That is in 2019. Yeah, 2019. So it feels like a really long time, but yeah, that was the very first video that I shot on this camera when I first got it. And but I don't know, for some reason I did not ended up posting that video. But last year as well I got a combo. So combo from Vaseline. It's the Vaseline Cocoa Glow just your normal body lotion, and I got this one as well, the one that comes in a tub. And last year I got the yellow version of this, and they had the same combo just in the yellow variant. And but personally I like the smell of cocoa more, so I'm glad that this year this was one of their combos, and yeah, I picked it up. First, let me finish talking about the combos, as we are already talking about those. So the next thing that I got was, okay, so this was also one of their combos, and I got it for 688. Can you imagine? So okay, so they actually retail for 1200 if you want to buy both of them. That is the herbal essence argan oil of Morocco. This is the conditioner, and then this one is the shampoo. And I actually got two of these. I got one for my friend as well because they were also very interested in this deal, so I was like, yeah, I'll grab one for you too. So why I was very interested about this is because this has 0% colorants or gluten, and I have heard a lot of great things about this particular brand in general by Indian YouTubers and even just the internet in general. So basically mostly everybody loves these, and yeah, I will see if if it's worth the hype. The last combo that I picked up was the Dot and Key combo, and you know what, I picked it up for like 900 and something rupees, but if you check it out now, it's even cheaper. So yeah, so that's a good thing for you. But I was like a little, I don't know, I felt a little sad that I paid a little more than I don't know. Anyway, it is for 50% off right now. I think when I got it, it was for 45% off, 40% off. Okay, so I got the Dot and Key Water Drench Hydrating Hyaluronic Serum Concentrate. So I have been really interested in trying out something from Dot and Key, and I had their I think, yeah, that was a sanitizer with hand cream, so that was pretty good. I mean, I got a sample size of it and I really enjoyed using it, and I just made a mental note that yeah, I want to try something from this brand. So I got this, and with that I got the Moisture Infusion Water Sleeping Mask. So when they came out with this, they were, I mean, I saw advertisement for this mask everywhere on my Instagram, and yeah, I don't know, it looked very interesting, and I don't know, it kind of gave me the vibes of that Laneige sleeping mask. So I don't know, if it works then that would be great, because my skin tend to be really dry during the winters, so something like this, a product like this would really help me out. Were the things that I got from the combo deals, and to be honest, in my opinion, the combo deals are something that you all must, you know, at least take a look around and just see if they have any products that you particularly need, because they were on, like, they were heavily discounted. In my opinion, they all were very good deals. So yeah, just check it out if you want to. So the next thing that I got, and you guys saw this in my hair care related video, so it's the Himalaya Anti Hair Fall Cream, and I also got the Himalaya Anti Dandruff Cream. I personally do not have dandruff, but yeah, during winters my scalp does get a bit drier, so these are hair masks, and I know they look like you won't, you know, get a lot of product in, but I picked it up just for 68 rupees, okay? And personally I have like really long hair, so even I can use this for at least 2 to 3 times. So I think it's pretty worth your money, even if you can use this for 3 times. So it's like 20 rupees per use. So yeah, I got these. And the next thing that I got was a face wash. This is from Biotique. It's their Bio Papaya Flawless Visible Skin Face Wash. So I had this face wash and I really liked it, but I don't know why. I feel I got a different one because the one that I had was, I don't know, a bit more greener. and this is like a light green color, and the one that I had was in it looked like that Himalaya wala face wash that everybody knows, but personally I don't like the Himalaya face wash, but I really enjoyed the Biotique one, so that is exactly why I picked it up. It is a really nice bottle, it has a pump, so it's very easily accessible. So yeah, I got this one. And the next thing that I got was from VLCC. It's their sunscreen. It's the SPF 50 PA triple plus. And if you did not already know that you are supposed to wear your sunscreen even when you are indoors, okay? Not necessarily SPF 50, but at least 15 or 20 so that would also be great. But I personally, even I do not enjoy the feeling of sunscreen on my face. They usually are so sticky, and I don't know, they just don't feel really good on your face. But this, I got this one because it says that it's a gel creme, so I thought it would be a sunscreen that has, you know, a gel kind of consistency, and that might not feel as heavy on my skin. So I'll try this out and I'll update you, but I won't be wearing this when I'm just inside my home. I will be wearing this when I step outside, and if I step outside, okay? Okay, the last three things are lip products. So the first one is the Organic Harvest Lip Balm. Okay, this lip balm smells so good. It smells exactly like strawberries, and it does have a very pink tint. So if you just want to go out there and okay, but yeah, you cannot go out there without a mask. So I was gonna say that if you don't want to apply any makeup, so then you can just put on this lip balm and you will be good to go, because it has a tint. But yeah, maybe later. So yeah, this is a very good lip balm. And the next lipstick, I'm wearing this lipstick actually. So the next lipstick is from the Maybelline Creamy Matte range. It has to be like my favorite affordable matte range ever, because I got this lipstick for just 150 rupees. Can you imagine? Just 150. It was for 50% off. The shade that I have is Mysterious Mocha, and it's a very good cool tone brown, and yeah, I like it. I actually have two more shades from this range, and yeah, this one is the third. Okay, the next thing is also a lipstick. It is from Faces, and I think they came out with this last year. Faces, and I really love the packaging, and the shade that I had was Subtle Mauve 40. Okay, so that was it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed watching. So yeah, I got only this much stuff this time around. Like my last Pink Friday sale haul, I remember getting a lot of stuff, but this time around I already shopped, you know, in the Diwali sale, and I had most of the things. So yeah, I just picked around what I actually needed. So yeah, that is it for today's video. If you enjoyed watching, then please give this video a thumbs up. Also consider subscribing before you leave, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.